On the left, China's robotic line fills Pepsi bottles with precision. On the right, the USA's human line combines workers and machines. Both lines efficiently fill bottles with dark Pepsi, showcasing global innovation.
Stack 'em high! Perfect fizz! Lines a go!
All right, bring her in. Keep it moving, next truck.
Pressure's holding steady. Yeah, right in the green. All systems go.
Starting the syrup blend cycle. Flow is stable.
Line's running smooth, fill levels are perfect.
Good, keep the caps and labels tight.
Labels are aligned, quality check passed.
That's the perfect blend.
Yes, it's ready.
Great teamwork. And into the bottles. Chilled and ready to go.
All right, team, let's get these pallets moving.
You got it, boss, on it.
Clear on the left, moving out. Looking good out here.
Clear on left, keep it moving. Watch the traffic, hold steady. All right, see you tomorrow. Swing it left, easy now. Got it, holding steady. Sparks flying, watch your eyes. Perfect, pin it now. Secured, good lift.
Man, this heat is brutal.
Tell me about it. This helps. Yeah, let's take a break.
Thanks, man.
No problem.
That's cold.
Wow.
庆祝我们 Q3 的成功发射。
太棒了，大家做得好。
来拍张照纪念一下。
Wow.
What do you think? Who will win in this Pepsi War? Comment below.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using SuperGrok, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.